Hey you guys, welcome back to Lisa and Company.
Today we are doing our second tree, which is all silver and white.
And it's silver and white because, ta-da, it's all about snow. If you didn't see when we did this trash to treasure sign, I'm going to link it up above, and we'll also put it down in the description box. We have tons of stuff to put on this tree because it's all silver and white. So,
Come decorate with us.
we're starting out with this 12-inch wide paper white and gold deco mesh, and I'm kind of just looping it in and out of the tree. It does a beautiful job of looking like almost freshly mounted snow. This tree is getting kind of old now and doesn't have nearly as many lights as I would like. So we're going to put lots of different ribbons on it and lots of DIYs, and it's going to be so full and beautiful. First up, we have the Let It Snow and the Merry and Bright from Dollar Tree. Quick coat of Rust-Oleum paint does a beautiful job, and they look so pretty up on the tree. Next, I have these Snowflakes from Dollarama. They were beautifully cut, and again, a quick coat of white paint and tucked in the tree, perfect. My little wooden poinsettias are made from all kinds of little trim pieces. I picked these up at the Restore. They are biscuit joiners, and oh boy, I think the other ones are for filling dowel holes, but I happen to know one of my subscribers is going to jump in the comments and tell me exactly what these pieces are. So I did a really simple job putting these together with some hot glue, again a coat of white paint, and I think they look so pretty on the tree. I feel like I have to make so many more of these. Oh boy, these were so simple and so darn cute on the tree. These are literally a small square card from Dollarama that I just used the front of, and these tiny little square frame canvases from Dollar Tree, and I Mod Podged them on. It's literally that simple. A piece of ribbon on the top with a little thumbtack in the middle. They're done. That's all there was to them. These were so cute. Found them at the Dollar Tree. 2 for $1.50. What a great price for ornaments, right? Quick coat of the Rust-Oleum chalked paint, and then I just sanded the top off so you could see that beautiful textured detail. I really love these. You guys, this may be my favorite sign/ornament of this holiday season. These are the giant tags from Dollar Tree. I've seen some amazing ideas from the YouTubers out there. For me, they were going to go on my Christmas tree. So I sanded off as much of that pesky glitter as I could and then gave them 2 coats of the white Rust-Oleum chalked paint. Once they were dry, I cut out all 9 of the reindeers' names on my Cricut using the font The Skinny, and I love this sort of imitation Ray Dunn font. I think it looks so cute. And I did use it on the bold setting just in case you decide to recreate these yourself. Now, I go ahead and use my Cricut for stuff like this, but there are other ways you can do it. And we've been using the Cricut so much lately, I wanted to make sure I gave you some other ideas. So these labels from Dollar Tree, they're poster stickers, as well as these smaller ones, would have done a great job for the reindeers' names. Also, you can get those great craft markers. They're the oil-based Sharpie type ones, and they would do a great job too. These snowflakes came from Dollar Tree, and the little vintage-looking mirror snowflakes came from Dollarama. You've seen me use these trees before in our centerpiece Dollar Tree challenge. I'll link that up above for you. Some of these other ones are things I've had for a long time or purchased last year after Christmas. I've got lots of picks and silver ornaments and lots of bits and pieces to fill out the tree.
I got it planned, I know just what to do.
I literally have a bucket of silver snowflakes I picked up at a liquidation center many years ago, and I'm using them now just to fill any spots that needed a little something before we were done. Up at the top of the tree, I'm using a number of different kind of sprays in silver and white just to make it look like it is exploding out of the top of the tree with great snowy whiteness. A couple more super delicate glass ornaments that I want to have center stage at the very front of the tree just before we wrap up. I picked up these faux fur, I call them polar bear blankets, in my IKEA haul. I'm going to link that up above so you can see all the great finds that we picked up. I'm wrapping 2 of these around the bottom of the tree rather than a traditional tree skirt. And then I have something special, since there'll be no presents under this tree, just to fill out the bottom. Hey you guys, thanks as always for stopping by today, and I really hope you enjoyed watching us do tree number 2, although I feel like I lost my sidekick somewhere along the way, right? Nah, she was behind the camera this time helping me get lots of close-up shots so you could see exactly what we were up to. So, big video coming up. We are doing the family room, and the family room is our kitchen. It's our living room, it's our everything room, it's where we live for pretty much, okay, like all the time we're home, when we're awake, and sometimes when we're not. So, coming up, way colorful. I really hope you're going to enjoy it. It's very different from what you've seen here. You'll get to see lots of my favorite color, and it's not black or white. So let's see if you actually have been watching long enough to know what my favorite color is. I'll give you a hint. You see it every time you watch one of our videos. That's all I'm telling you. So you guys, thanks again. As always, we appreciate your support like crazy. We are so close to our first goal of our 1,000 subscribers. So, since I know so many of you are watching and you're not subscribing, make sure you do that. We're gonna have details of our 1,000K giveaway on our next video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button because it's only for our subscribers. Thanks again, you guys. We'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye.